Hello, welcome to CISA's free class. Today we are going to learn about getting isitembu with 350. It's very easy. Soon we'll be joined by Ubaba Umseligu. He will, share some insights. Now, the first thing that you need to know if you are someone with 350 but you want to have isitembu, here's what you have to do. I hope you have a pen and paper there. Take some notes. You'll need this. The first thing that you have to do, you have to drop your standards. Like you can't go for the beautiful girls. In fact, you need to look for homeless girls with that 350 of yours. Preferably the ones who smoke. What's that thing? Inyaupe, wunga. Yeah. Then you'll have yourself easy table. But if you want proper ladies, my brother, go to work. But okay, you see, this is my stamp. This is the stamp that I would like to have. Wazi Gunene, a comedian, no children. Mbali Kudazi, a comedian, no children. Farida, a comedian, no children. Then last but not least, Celeste Ntuli, South African comedy queen and legendary comedian, but no children. Then the head of the house, me, a wannabe comedian, also no children. We have something in common. They are professional comedians. I am a wannabe. They don't have children. I also don't have children. We will find out how to make them. In our polygamy, we would, let me not say will as if it's something that's going to happen. We would find out in our polygamy marriage. I don't think it's that difficult. We will just have to make sure that we don't have condoms in the house. No prevention, whatever. No implants. Just the baby oil. Make some freak off babies. Yeah. I know they are comedians. They are used to one-liners. But if they become my isitembu, I would want them, especially when it comes to the pregnancy test, they must have 2 lines there. Yeah. No one would ever verbally bully our children. We would raise them differently and be like, no, my child, no. Don't know about the homework. Put that thing away. You'll do it tomorrow morning at school. Now, I want you to go through this list of your mama jokes. Yeah, you'll need this. You will need this. Yeah, no one would mess with our children. Never. Our children would become terrorists. Yeah, their terrorist name? ISIS? No. ISIS. Al Qaeda? No. Boko Haram? Joko Haram. Yeah, joke. Okay, joke not haram. That one sounds better. Yeah. Or simply Joko Haram. Yeah, Joko Haram. Joke not haram in full. In short, simply Joko Haram. Yeah, that sounds better. Me, I would teach them not to be funny. No. Anyone can do that one. I would teach them to be evil in a battle. Yeah. In a battle, they must be evil. They must say wicked things. Your mama is so fat and old. She sweats used cooking oil. Your mama is nasty. Your mama is a pedophile. Your mama is a gold digger. She sleeps with rich minors. She wanted to sleep with you, but you are poor. Your mama is so committed to generosity. When she got HIV, she passed it to her children. You do not wake up with cornflakes or with beaks. In your house, you wake up with ARVs. That kind of stuff. Yeah. No one would mess with Joko Haram. Never. I would tell them, listen, don't start any fights. Don't start any beef. But if they bring it to you, make sure you turn the whole place into a shisanyama. Make your father proud. Yeah. With that kind of children, we would be always called at the school. Mr. Nkasa, your son just called another learner the M word. I'm like, Midget, Mr. Gasa, it's 2025. You cannot say that. Okay, can I see this dwarf? Mr. Gasa, now I understand the behavior of your son. We would always be at school. They would call us so much. Teachers would start suggesting homeschooling. And we'd be like, no, thank you. You keep them. We created monsters that we no longer can control. The other day, they were roasting Farida. They said it's either she has a big forehead or a shy hairline. But by the look of things, it seems like it's both. They even said she looks like the Joshua Doe logo. So we cannot. We have gigs to attend. You keep them. You do whatever you want to do with them. Put them in one class. Instead of grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just say grade Joko Haram. Do whatever you want to do with those children. We have gigs to attend. See what you do with them. They are yours. They are yours, not ours.